Welcome to a smarter future. In a digital era where agility defines success, choosing the right ERP isn't just a tech decision, it's a strategic move. Odoo continues to lead the pack, and with version 19, it's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation. Smarter automation, a friendlier interface, and next-gen AI integration are just the beginning. If you're scaling, pivoting, or optimizing, understanding what Odoo 19 brings to the table is key to staying competitive in 2025. Let's dive into what makes this version a game changer. Let's talk intelligence, real-time navigation, adaptive AI dashboards, and automation that actually saves time. Odoo 19 introduces features that feel like a co-pilot for your team: AI-drafted CRM emails, predictive inventory and sales forecasts, and automated invoice categorization that cuts manual work by 60%. With mobile-first upgrades and smarter onboarding, this version empowers both new users and remote teams to get productive faster than ever. Modern business is digital first, and Odoo 19 makes sure you're not just keeping up but leading. From personalized e-commerce experiences with dynamic product suggestions and real-time SEO tips to seamless backend flexibility with headless CMS, it's all here. And when it comes to collaboration, real-time doc editing, built-in video conferencing, and AI-based task estimation, these are tools your teams will actually want to use. Everything's integrated, everything's efficient. Compliance, speed, and trust, all built into the core. Odoo 19 supports global financial regulations across the US, EU, and APAC, including crypto payments and AI-powered auditing that flags errors before they cause issues. With 30% faster page loads, zero downtime deployments, and powerful access controls, this ERP is engineered for high growth and high security. Simply put, it scales as you scale, without slowing you down. So who's Odoo 19 really for? If you're expanding globally, scaling your e-commerce, managing a hybrid team, or just ready to tap into AI for smarter operations, this is your moment. Don't just upgrade, evolve. Get in touch with Pragmatic TechSoft certified Odoo expert for a personalized demo and a seamless upgrade roadmap. Let's build a future-ready business, intelligently, efficiently, and securely with Odoo 19.